Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. You know, I get a lot of emails over the course of a year where I will see somebody who will say, hey, I'm emailing you because I want to get my new wife. We just got married. I want to get her to the United States as fast as possible. And, you know, I end up having to be in these situations where, you know, I don't really like saying it, but I sometimes do, depending on the circumstances. You know, especially where somebody says, why is it going to take so long to get my wife to the U.S.? And then my response is, well, before you got married, you had the option of going after the fiance visa. And in certain circumstances, the fiance visa may actually process faster in terms of getting that loved one into the United States. Now, you have to deal with the back end in a fiance visa with regard to the green card process, getting them into lawful permanent resident status via what's called the adjustment of status process. So there is a back end to the fiance visa, but oftentimes we find it's often faster to get that loved one into the United States using a K-1, a fiance visa. Not always the case. Different cases work differently. But long story short, it's definitely a good idea before making any final moves with regard to marriage, basically before getting married. If immigration, U.S. or otherwise, is in the cards, if that is something you're thinking about, it's probably a good idea to contact a legal professional, talk to them prior to getting married, and ascertain all of the possible options, married or otherwise, before finalizing a marriage and thereby possibly foreclosing one's ability to pursue different avenues of getting their loved one in the United States.